Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful logo with PixelLab. Alright, let's get started. Before we get started, please click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So to get started now, what we need now is that we need a shape, which is this shape. Now let's move over to max. Enable max out. Is going to be out. So what we're going to do now is that you click over here so that you will be able to drag it up. Alright, so let's click on goods. Let's increase the size of this. So let's move over to max. So what we are going to do now is so let's draw a curve here. So we're going to draw a curve over here. So this node has to be here. I think this one, I have to delete this node. So we delete this node, we bring this one over here, we bring this one over here, we bring this one over here. Okay, we bring this one over here, we bring this one over here. So this one has to come over here. So now let's set the curve. Let's set the curve. Okay, this one we are going to add a node. Okay, this is good. We bring it inside. We bring it inside here. So this one has to come inside. This one has to come inside like this. This one has to come inside like this. This one has to come inside, come inside, come inside. You have to set it properly. So this one has to come inside like this. So this one has to come like this. This one has to come like this. This one has to come out like this. This one has to come out like this. Need to set it properly. So let me click on good and look. So I will check how it looks. Alright, we need to work on it more. Let's get over to max. This one. So okay, let me bring it inside. Okay, I think we're almost there. Alright, let me check. We're almost there. Let's get over to max again. Let's make it look very nice. Okay, let's get over to max. I think we need to work on here. Okay, I think this is good. Alright, this is good. So did you see how I just got this curve? If we still want to work on it more, we can still work on it more. So let's work on it more. Firstly, let me increase the size. So let's work on it more by bringing you inside. You can do better than I. I'm teaching. I've already done it before, so I'm using this one as as a lesson. So you can do better than I. You can do better than I. All right. So let's work on it again. You can do better than I. I think it's okay like this. Okay, this is good. So what we're going to do next is that we need another shape. Let me hide this. Let me hide this one. So we're going to work on this shape. So let's get over to max. Enable max out. Let's bring it up here. Okay, so this has to come here. We are going to have a node here. We will have a node here. Okay, I think these 4 nodes are going to do what we want. Okay. Okay, this has to come inside. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one has to come inside. Okay. All right. You just need to set it properly. Okay. Okay, let's get over to max. Okay, I think this is okay. Now what we're going to do is that let's bring this one out. Okay, so this one we're going to merge it with another object. So let's merge it with another object. All right, so this one, let's give it a color. So the color has to be gradient. So let's set the gradient color. Okay, I think this is okay. All right, let's increase the size. All right, so now let's get over to max because we still need to work on something here. So that's one of the reasons why I did not merge it with another object, because I know that I will still work on it. Yes, this is awesome. All right, so let's work on it more. The white still appears. We need to bring it inside entirely. Okay, this is good. Let's check it out. All right, this is good. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to merge this one with another object since we are done with it. So let's merge it with another object. Okay, this is good. So let's move to color, enable color gradient. Okay, I think this is good. So the next thing that we're going to do over here is that we have to merge two of them. So we have successfully merged two of them. All right, so now let's change the background color. Okay, let's put a text. Let's change the font. Let's move over to letter spacing. Letter spacing. Let's bring it backward. Okay. Edit. Okay, I think this is good. Let's move over to color, gradient. I'm going to select this. Let's bring out another text. Let's change the font. I think this is okay. Let's change the color. Let's resize it. Let me zoom in. Let's move to letter spacing. Now let's merge all of them. When you are done, you click on save as image, save to gallery. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. See you soon.